Ajay. We're being told that it's heavily raining in Srinagar at this point of time. If you could take our viewers through the situation in Srinagar, when are we expecting the Prime Minister to deliver the speech, and following which, of course, the yoga session is going to kickstart. If you could take our viewers through all those developments.
It was expected that the Prime Minister will start his address at around 6:30, but because of the heavy rain, it is delayed, and at 7 he has to start his address over there. As far as the yoga is concerned, he will perform yoga exercises at 7, and definitely he is especially in Kashmir to participate in this on this International Yoga Day. But as far as the part of Jammu is concerned, you could see that the things are quite better over here in the Jammu. No doubt that it's cloudy since evening. It was raining over here in the Jammu as well. We are at international border, Indo-Pak international border in Octrai post, where BSF troopers, civilians, and the civil administration people, they are performing yoga over here, and definitely giving a message to the people of the country that they also should adopt it when world is adopting it, because it is benefiting the people in large, and that's why this is very important. And this shows that history of India is basically this, because earlier people were not using allopathic medicine and other thing, but it was only yoga which was helping the people of Jammu and Kashmir, those who basically were adopting this yoga, and they stay fit. And this time when we are here on the international border, as we know that Prime Minister yesterday while addressing the youth transformation in J&K program, he said that I'm going to participate tomorrow, means today. He was expected to participate in the yoga Divas, and especially he has given a message to the enemy, those who are basically continuously creating trouble for the India, and especially in the Jammu and Kashmir. As far as the recent terror attack, he says that definitely they'll be taught a lesson if they are going to trouble more in the Jammu and Kashmir. So that's why it is very important for the security forces as well, because it is not only keeping them healthy, but also mentally they stay fit because of the yoga. So that's why at large what we can see that not only here in the Jammu as well as Jammu and Kashmir, but also people and security forces personnel, those who are deployed over there on the Siachen, Ladakh, and other areas, far-flung areas, they are also performing yoga today everywhere. That gives a message to the world as well, that yes, they see that how yoga is changing the life over here. And as far as the Prime Minister's program is concerned, Prime Minister is expected to address the people over there and start his address soon, right after this rain is stopped.
Right, absolutely, Ajay. Thanks for joining in, sharing that update with our viewers. In fact, joining us at this point of time is my colleague Ashik Mir. He's joining us live from Srinagar. Ashik, if you could take our viewers through what exactly is taking place in Srinagar, how many people are in fact participating and practicing yoga this morning?
बिल्कुल, अब से कुछ देर पहले जो है प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी श्रीनगर के राजभवन से SKICC पहुंच गए हैं, और कुछ देर के बाद जो है हमें तस्वीरें भी मिलेगी। फिलहाल जिस जगह पर हम मौजूद हैं, श्रीनगर का झील का इलाका है, और तेज बारिशें हो रही है। बारिशों की वजह से प्रोग्राम में थोड़ा सा डिले हुआ है, लेकिन सारे जितनी भी एथलीट्स हैं, जितने भी बच्चे हैं, वो श्रीनगर के SKICC पहुंच गए हैं, और कुछ देर के बाद ही हमें प्राइम मिनिस्टर दिखेंगे योग करते हुए। और खास बात इसमें यह है कि 8,000 से लेकर 10,000 बच्चे एथलीट्स जो है वो इस योग समारोह में शामिल होने जा रहे हैं। फिलहाल श्रीनगर शहर में पूरी तरह से सिक्योरिटी के बंदोबस्त किए गए हैं। अगर हम CRPF, J&K पुलिस और पैरा कमांडो जितने भी है वो यहाँ पर तैनात रखे गए हैं, और सिक्योरिटी के लिहाज से कई जगहों पर जो है नाके लगा दिए गए हैं, क्योंकि अब से कुछ देर बाद जो है प्राइम मिनिस्टर की तस्वीर हमें दिखेगी, क्योंकि श्रीनगर के डल झील के किनारे पर योग करते हुए प्राइम मिनिस्टर, और ये पहली मर्तबा है। लोगों में काफी ज्यादा उत्साह है, लोगों में काफी ज्यादा जोश है। जिस हिसाब से हम भी लोगों से बात कर रहे हैं, बच्चों से बात कर रहे हैं, एक अलग ही एक्सपीरियंस है आज कश्मीर में। लेकिन अगर हम बात करें, कुछ देर के बाद ही एक अच्छी जो है सामने आएगी, जब प्राइम मिनिस्टर श्रीनगर के डल झील के किनारे पर योग करते हुए नजर आएंगे।
Right, absolutely. Ashik, thanks for joining in, sharing that update with our viewers. In fact, still with us on the broadcast is Mr. Utpal Kaul. So, we saw visuals from Jammu. Right now, my colleague was just live with us on the broadcast, and we could see people from different, from demographies, a host of demographies. We saw young people, we saw relatively older people, and it almost feels like yoga is India's gift to the world. Now, when you look at these visuals and you see the number of people that are out there in Jammu and Kashmir who are there to celebrate yoga, what's the first thought that comes to your mind?
First of all, congratulations to everyone for this great day, International Yoga Day. And I am personally very much excited because this time today on the bank of Dal Lake in Srinagar, Kashmir, this yoga is organized, and it is our beloved Prime Minister is taking the lead.
Yeah.
And I am just, it is very near to my home in Srinagar, the place where it is, and it is historically so important, not only Dal Lake, because it is on the foothills of Zabarwan hills. On one side is Srinagar Fort, on the other side is Shankaracharya mountain, hill and the temple, and so it's a great environment there. And on the other side of the Dal Lake is Hazratbal Mosque. So it is such an environmentally, and the situation is so fantastic. Where in our ancient times in Kashmir, the great masters, Utpalacharya, Abhinavgupta, Vasugupta, and Kalhan, Bilhan, all these must have been doing yoga. And as you said about demography and our the places, it is done in Leh, in Ladakh, it is done in Siachen, it is done near the borders of Jammu, and in different parts of Kashmir also. In fact, it is done all over the globe, all over India. And let me tell you, there is hardly any park where the yoga is not done in Delhi NCR itself. And yoga kama kaushalam, yoga chitta vrta nirodha. It is, yoga is for body, mind and soul. And it was a great idea. We have been doing yoga for more than 10,000 years in Indian subcontinent. And so now it has gone world over, and UNO has recognized it. It is done in more than 175 countries, and it is a great idea of Narendra Modi ji, because it is such a creative idea. And when we say the Indian culture and civilization, and yoga is the most important, which we have given to the whole of the world. And in this world, today's world, where there is a lot of stress, where human beings, all men, have great struggle, and yoga is so good for health, for mind, for soul. So we will develop ourselves, we will develop excellence if we regularly go for doing the yoga. And one more thing about the yoga, it is not particularly, it is something, a religious activity that only the Hindus have to do it.
Yeah.
No, it is for the Muslims, it is for the Christians, it's for the Buddhists, it is for each and every one. And today I feel, once again I say, so much excited, because it is done in my city, in Srinagar. And so people of Kashmir are excited, and they have seen a lot of change after Article 370 was abrogated. And they have seen, on one side is the development. IIMs and IITs have come to Kashmir, in Jammu and Kashmir, and on the other side, education institutions. Now there is not much violence, or terrorism is at the fag end, but the Pakistan are trying their best to create trouble, but they will be totally defeated, and the yoga will trump the trump of Indian culture and civilization, peace and prosperity in the rest of the India, in all of Bharata and in Kashmir. Thank you.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.